40cm anti-slip steel dumbbell connector extension bar is an essential accessory for fitness enthusiasts. Crafted from high-quality steel, it ensures exceptional durability and longevity. The anti-slip design guarantees a secure grip, even during the most intense workouts. This connector bar allows you to join two dumbbells, effectively transforming them into a barbell for a wider range of exercises. Ideal for both upper and lower body strength training routines, it enhances workout versatility. The connector features a comfortable foam pad, which reduces hand fatigue and provides a firm, comfortable grip. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for both home gyms and professional fitness centers. The sleek, modern design seamlessly fits with most dumbbell sets, ensuring a cohesive look for your workout equipment. Whether you're performing squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, this extension bar offers the stability and support needed for a safe workout. The 40cm length is optimal for maintaining balance and control. Elevate your strength training with this durable, comfortable, and versatile dumbbell connector extension bar. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.